Take our lead.
Vinyl floor tiles. Vinyl floor tiles don't require grout and make a good utility-grade floor. You can buy self-stick tiles, or you can spread mastic on the subfloor with a trowel and lay tiles without pre-applied adhesive. Any subfloor is suitable, as long as it's clean, dry and level.
Take our lead.
Grout is a hard-wearing emulsion but should only be used between joints of the same plane. This means any corners or bends that your tiles and fittings encounter should be handled with silicone instead. This is because grout is not flexible enough to withstand any structural movement. It is also not entirely waterproof.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Though it might be a pain to wait the minimum 12 hours before using your new bathroom or kitchen floor, the pros will tell you that 24 hours of drying time is ideal. The same amount of time should also be allowed for tiles on walls or countertops.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.